All right, another logarithmic equation here. So the method I'm going to use on this one is I'm just going to simplify. I'm going to treat it just like a linear equation, something like this. So my logarithm is going to be the piece that I want to get by itself, the logarithm with my variable, because this is just going to simplify down to a nice number. Log base 2 of 16, that's just going to equal 4, because 2 to the 4th power gives you 16. And log base 2 of x, 19. Now before I exponentiate, I want to try to get this logarithm by itself. So I'm going to subtract 4. That's going to be negative 3 log 2 is equal to 15. And I could use this negative 3 and put it back into the parentheses as an exponent. But in this case, it's going to be way easier to just divide by negative 3. Just remove it from both sides of the equation here. It's connected by multiplication, so I can just divide to get rid of it. Log base 2 of x is equal to negative 5. All right. And now I can exponentiate both sides. I'm going to do 2 to the power of the left side and 2 to the power of the right side. The log base 2 and 2 will just cancel each other out. And so my answer is going to be 2 to the negative 5th, which is 1 over 32. There we go. All right. Of course, you'd want to go ahead and check this to make sure it actually works. It is a good solution, though. Right, we'll do one more here. This one, I'm going to have log base 6 of 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 log base 6 of 4. All right, what I want to do this time is I want to get log base 6 on both sides. All right, let's see. I'm going to take this 2 and put it back inside the parentheses so that all I have is log base 6, and then all I'll have on the right-hand side is log base 6 as well. So take this 2, put it back inside as an exponent. So this is going to be log base 6 of 16, because 4 to the second power is 16. And now I can remove the log base 6. We don't really even have to exponentiate both sides to see that the 3x minus 1 must be equal to the 16. All right, just because they both have log base 6 on both sides. So it's going to be 3x minus 1 equals 16. Add 1 to both sides. Divide by 3. And this is our solution. Okay. Now let's go ahead and check this. We'll plug this 17 over 3 back in for x and just make sure that it balances the equation. Okay, 17 over 3 stored x. All right, so you could go ahead and do 3x minus 1. All right, and then do log base 6 of 16 using the change of base formula. I want to go ahead and show you how you can just type this directly in. All right, we're going to press math and then arrow up to the log base. It's at the very bottom of the list, so I just arrowed up to get to it. All right, this will allow us to just enter in log base 6 of 3x minus 1. So the left-hand side gives you 1.54, and then the right-hand side should give you the same thing. So it's going to be 2 math up, all right, 2 times log base 6 of 4. And yeah, it's the same thing. All right.